Welcome to this new RAWSTER photo video. My name is Mark de Rooij. I'm a Dutch-based photographer, and this video is especially for the people that only go out there when the sun is shining, because the greatest images can be made if the weather is not so good. We give you a few examples in this video. Enjoy watching and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel below. Going out to take some photos during bad weather is not something we do very often, but it can lead to amazing photos and also more unique photos, because many people, most photographers go out there when the weather is nice or when it's sunny, but especially the bad weather can create those images no one else took before. So for example, this photo was taken in my hometown during bad weather, as you can see, and actually it was also raining here at the time I took this photo, but I found a nice spot where I was covered without having the cover in the photo, so I didn't get wet at all, so that was the good thing. And I wanted to shoot the flash of the thunderstorm, and in the end that really worked out well. This photo was published in some magazines, was in TV, so it really got the attention because it's a more special photo of the skyline of this city that is shot so many times before, but not in this way. So if you want to create different photos of very famous views, try to go out when they expect bad weather, and then I don't mean the drizzling rain and the really gray days, although sometimes that can work out also, but the best days are the days that they expect some heavy showers or thunderstorms, just the small ones, because those days are very likely to give a lot of variation in your photos, because some clouds with rain can come in, and afterwards maybe it gets a little bit sunny again, maybe you even get a rainbow, so that gives a lot of new opportunities to create a nice photo. Another example I want to give is this photo taken in Iceland. Fantastic country, so if you're into landscape photography you definitely should go there. But I was there for 10 days, and all those days where I had the feeling I had 4 seasons every day. So it was sunny, it was raining, we had hail, a lot of variety, and you can also see it in this photo. As you can see, it rained already before because there's some water in the road, but in the background you see a cloud with rain. In the left top you see the blue sky, and it's even visible from this photo that the sun was actually shining. So there are a lot of different weather elements in this photo, and that makes a photo also more unique. So don't only go out with your camera when the weather is nice, no, especially go out when they expect some bad weather, because that gives you different photos. Did you like this photography video? Please like this video and check out our recommended video for more tips.